Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video in this channel. In this video I will show you how to connect to database and displaying the on Datagridview. Firstly, I'm creating a new Windows Form application and I name this project Viewing Database on Datagrid. Yes, I'm starting the project and I will code right there. Okay, our project is started and I will add a Datagridview and a button in this form. My Datagridview's names is DGW database and I'm docking the button and my button's name btn load and the text will be load. Okay, I double click the load button and I had to create a SQL connection. So SQL connection control dot using SQL data client connection equals to new SQL connection. There will be my addresses, data source equals to my local server and initial catalog equals to Northwind. This is my database that I will work on that, and integrated security equals to true. Yes, our connection strings is ready and I have to create a new SQL command. SQL data adapter SDA equals to new SQL data adapter, and there will be my command select star from Northwind. This is my database, and if you want to work on this database you can find on the internet easily. DBO and employees. In this database there are several charts, but I want to work on employees and I have to use connection string. Okay, data table dt equals to new data table, and I'm transferring the SDA to data. And my Datagridview dot data source equals to dt. But before that I have to open the connection dot open, and after these steps I have to close the connection dot close. Okay, our project is ready and I am starting my project. Okay, projects started, and when I click this button I will see the informations of employees. Okay, all of the informations of employees is here: employee ID, last name, first name, and birth dates of employees, hire dates, regions, postcodes, and photos of employees. I can see every information in this Datagridview that I took from database. Okay, that's enough for today. Please subscribe my channel. I'll show you better videos and better ways to programming. Take care of yourself.